What do you get when you combine fine Italian design with state-of-the-art electric vehicle technology? You get fine craftsmanship, reliability, superior performance. You get the Uno X, a true electric motorbike designed and crafted by ISO, a company rich in Italian heritage with decades of automotive experience. Now helmed by Ferruccio Lamborghini, a once professional motorcycle racer.
I'm excited to bring you the Uno X. The feeling of freedom and leaving the world behind is something that reflects my passion, and it's something you can feel only by riding a motorcycle. So through the Uno X, I really want to share with you these feelings and to bring you to a different perception of electric vehicles and electric mobility for the future.
A modern Italian design that complements its superior performance. With an instant torque delivering 0 to 50 kilometers per hour in just 3.7 seconds, and power output equivalent to a 150cc engine, the Uno X can handle any road conditions with ease, hitting top speeds of 115 kilometers per hour. A 7-inch waterproof dashboard gives you total control of your bike with an easy-to-use, intuitive UX. And if all this wasn't enough, we made it green. A state-of-the-art rechargeable battery delivering unrivaled performance, efficiency, and reliability with a range of up to 130 kilometers. As the world moves towards the future, so are we. Creating a motorbike that will transform your riding experience. The ISO Uno X, Italian spirit recharged.